Now talk about the panel for MCT-520DPL PRO. Trot. MIG welding under trot mode can choose 0.6, 0.8, 0.91 respectively. All gas choose cartwheel. Mixed gas gasless. Long press to 3 seconds to start pause mode. Pause mode. ALS1, ALMA1. Just these two choices. Make touch fort. TIG HF TIG. Trot fort in options. Cold welding timber gap. Cold time. Post flow. Peak current. MMA. Current. MMA current. Current. Have free built-in data. Arc ignition current. Arc ignition time. Air force. Storage channel. Such as storage. Storage number 6, channel we can adjust. Adjust to 519. Then take a look. Let us check the No. 6 channel. 19 successfully storage into channel. And then there is a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 9 channels. Now talk about the torch installation. Gas connection to the positive pole. Ground wire connect the negative pole. If gasless welding, adapter connect the negative pole. Ground wire connect positive pole. Now the torch finish installation. Above is the MIG welding interface. Let's talk about it first. Now talk about the TIG torch. Electric connector. 2-course circular connector. Ground wire connect to the positive pole. TIG torch finished installation. Now is plasma cutting torch methods. Ground wire connect the positive pole. The cutting gun is now installed. Connect here. Gas in for cut. Gas in interface for MIG. MIG torch installation methods. MMA holder connect negative pole. Ground clamp connect the positive pole. MMA holder installation finished.